energy. What alternative uses of energy are there?
Yes, we have to develop a new strategy for providing energy for our communities now. Really and truly we should be going first of all for energy conservation, because at the moment we waste 65% just in the production and a great deal in transmission of our energy. So a huge policy insulating everywhere should be the first move, which will create a lot of jobs as well. And then we should be designing power stations that are smaller, closer to the source of energy, whether it be coal, gas, oil, refuse, biomass or whatever, smaller units that have the filtering technology that stop the acid rain, although we haven't got anything to stop carbon dioxide, but the reduction of energy would do that. And meanwhile, put money into research and development on wind, sun, tide, sea power, all those renewable energies, all that sustainable energy that's going to be free once you've paid for the equipment to be installed in the first place. You know, so a whole new strategy should be developed for the country.
Does the